Well, my fire didn't go out from cleaning the big pot. So, I said I had another pot to do the same thing with, and this is the 5-gallon pot. You've seen me make chili and stuff in this pot. So it's not the first time. Now I've used this and made probably 8 videos of this one. I'm going to let this get to burning. Once the fire starts, just want to see how long it's going to take before this water starts boiling. And then I'm just going to clean this pot as well. This wood burner, like I say, it's a tire rim that I made into a burner that was designed for this pot. I made this for this pot. That's why it sits so snug. And if you are cooking, we don't have to use fire. We don't have to use the propane on here. I can use wood. That's what I'm doing now. Or charcoal. So this is an outdoor burner designed to be used outdoors. I think the flame just popped up. There you go. So I'm gonna go and peel it around down here, and just want to see how long it's going to take before this water get to boiling. And I'm going to put the camera right there on it. I don't want to get it too hot. I don't want to burn the camera. So let's start. All right. Okay, the water is hot. Beginning to see bubbles on the inside. I don't have to worry about seasoning this one like I did the other pot because I do use this pot a lot. So the flavor is gone, way gone. Yeah, this is hot. People, you all, this is hot now. I don't think I want to play with it more. Let's see. I gave it a stir earlier. This is the kind of hot that you, oh yeah. That I'm not gonna play with, so believe me when I say it's hot, it is hot. I still want to get it to a boil. So this took probably 25 minutes, if that long. It's cooking temperature, and I'm not using the flame down here. This is just heat from the coals. If I had the flame, it would have started boiling probably 5 minutes ago. But I'm just using the regular coal on here for heat. I know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna cook the tamales and let the tamales simmer in here. That way I can make probably 18 dozen and let the tamales just simmer in this one. And that would give me the oils that I'm looking for. I was telling you about the oils that go on inside the person come out. That would do all of that at the same time along with cooking. Also with some of the stews, the chilies, the stews, and the crawfish boil that I plan on doing. We're gonna do that also. So I'm gonna let this, I do want to get it to the boil. So I'm gonna put some more wood in there and get it back hot.